Right, everyone. For a very big shout out to Bibiara Samia, when me Kwadwo Nkansah TV na orhe. The Edi Kameka se Radi Nyankopon hia wo Bibiara. Na ye de aseda kese ma mo setem bia no. Muhu ye content amuntwam. Na mu mia so na mokọ so ahwe na we dey a very quick one abusua. I think say over the weekend no, there are so many trends are elkoso e social media efa eye yewura Kwadwo Nkansah lewe ho. Ewo Kwadwo Nkansah TV there, it is strictly entertainment and exclusive news about Kwadwo Nkansah lewe. Na menim say over the weekends no in some pina na akoso ahwefo anyone e wo fie ni obi e woga na bia so penchiremu na right now no migina the forecourt of Great Minds International School oheba si kura na a Great Minds ba si ni ba kunye na eye yewura Kwadwo Nkansah lewen the acting manager Great Minds International School on one esaye PRO for yewura Kwadwo Nkansah lewen any the Weezy Empire in the whole Okyeame Akwadanyame mahu se wapon adwuma wo kofie na se na meka ni sempina na ekoso ewo social media things ye nyina ye penchiremu na se na ya na mpanyifo kan yesi sebo mo chiche finso ase be ka kire se den chemawu ye ni na chiyanti bra manager betu ni ka akwa die ma menye fast na ye ntonchene na ensem bi a ahefo bi etima twa bi o comment section ase ye ekoso obi kwa timi hia me osi ogidi na ade na na yewura Kwadwo Nkansah lewen amanfo bi eka ensem bi se fa no ho ye nya ni manager enche bi ma won so be so otu ni ka ne ko ye nya fast na ye ntonche no na ye ni nkomo ba ko mienu miensa bi na yetimahu de egoso manager ogidi we the fact me ba be ha kakra I think say impempi na ya we say we PR de enso won say dem pekasa but there are so many things over the weekend no ekoso ewo social media na seminar videos ni bia say ya na there are so many questions that viewers no hwe say videos no amubisa I think say you are the right person we betimi answer some questions na my no me note kakra ewo
no there is me nyangoy
oh by 5 questions but e here nchirimu pa because I think say over social media you see one of the person I can ho asem either negative or positive Nkansah what is here Kwadwo Nkansah lewen it no sense bi ba say na say amanfo ni here nchirimu I think say we need the right person you bet me be scientist akunya wo na you bet me the
when it comes to Lilwin we yada krampo say you see so yare nti yadwuma no nti anything concerning Lilwin yada krampo say so le yakasa nti Nkansah
okay nice one before say be di nkomo no mama musa one question I think say na be boa ma nchichemu bi albe ma bi afo be hu say we the right person uni visa ya adwuma mfiese
oh many could just sign I think say let's come 2008 in the end of the century
2008 say
2008
yeah
9 10 11 12 13 14 15
next over a decade next over a decade
19 20 21 22 23 16 good years
16 good years wow
16 years yeah
next we shall here brother penny ojina next on Weezy year pa
16 years but yeah strong I was recognized after 3 years it was Zach into me year behind back doors of Zach it's that I'm trying to private school see say manager here BBA no afraid much am here so kwakwa we here so
okay
I call him say after the Saturday now Weezy was building up so no so it's you know then it was like let's form a team
okay nice we share no say na obeji boom
that is it
okay
but everything was behind Zach
okay nice one answer na your question so mama musa Weezy what say when 16 years not say
Kwadwo a business minded person and when you be saying how fun adwene of fun na adum nyansa
yeah
I have sometimes when I sit back and look at what people rant on social media I don't know say they are trying to say when you pabonini then the be make say compound house sort of compound house
yeah
asema ye kafa ho uni obi nya ntokwa ni aka asem bi there's a tag ni aka isi hwehwe ni obi foforo ni nya asema onim se the use metie
yeah
also be use the same tag hwehwe ni mu
yeah
nya atwom we ni brefo ya dia obi oni ni hwibi aka to nti obi oni ni nsan ye krada no ehia na odi kan to din say ni brefo nya atwom ba obi o nya atwom my diploma, my degree, me change from educational course, me switch the about human resource. Nka meet me anam sana me ni adwuma. Banya chum. Yeah, this guy. On the demand, be in Yachum. Obi any brief, any brief will be our baby being Kwakobi. We live sample life.
Yeah.
It's mean how people want to define Lilwin. But maybe definition to Lilwin no. Yeah. We do for. We do kesiye. We do batanya. I'm saying no.
Yeah. DOP Brasik can you name because I think sense about can win ya pa.
We do kesiya. So the usimiti no. Obia ben you can make good use of him.
Yeah.
So when you kwaya be fast so besimi ayden. Afa making it. By burning to say o train say on first kesi bi ma. We business mind.
Yeah.
Fejuma bra. Me say the first 8 years I'm not one sign man penasem da.
I didn't see.
We want me the who say o ye ni brefo. Because that time na me fa hwema. On the kwagini show, on the kwani bibia. Me dey answer matna kema ko so Facebook. E dey asi so no matwa bi. Ye na ye kone ma me be 8 million, 9 million na. Na me hu sika kese no.
Ya kwagini show.
Akwara je 20,000, waje 30,000. Eh, before you forget. Waje 30,000. 8 million I want ma me. Ko for the food more ni sa. Na me do money brand e ko for yamboa emfa music emfa mbobla.
We high red.
But later na me try me say me the show ba me the say I'm 15%. I'm say na somebody my bro. Come don't call me kula that.
Okay.
I come say yeah, tell us who say na adwuma net here. They deal with percentages and say. And I say yeah, ko pay the aba. E basa na wo be so business minded so no a. Wo the adwuma ba gidi. Na wo nye follow boy a. Mo say ko jun kan say nye ni brefo. So that's it. There's me say that time. My first contract with Lilwin was Magic Rice. But Lilwin, not that time or year product the move into my first Zach. That time can be free camp and I'm a first Zach. Now Magic Rice for air offer, I think say me type 80,000. Now Lilwin so budget 100,000 1 year. I'm saying, Brunino's fashion, my boss said me to get Lilwin on board or 20,000. And then Lilwin didn't move. I don't cry on person your day, mommy. Son of my belly won't be 15%. No. My life was on it. My life was on it. That time, I'm a company in your free. No, my free company, Moonche.
Yeah.
And see, and there's a phone test I'm making. So, oh, baby, on a free baby. And if I be breathing, me tribune.
Yeah.
So that's it. But me, Ubi no watch tribune. But me, and meet me. And it's sign because now for them I be universe like neutral person.
Yeah.
Na person me ejuma mo bia.
Yeah.
You see the life of links for kwakume no bob siga mo no bia na me person me ejuma mo bia. The time akojo offer na yes kojo damo so ontimi nya no. Me to che me bra penny bob siga.
When I say na satam na killer contract
e wo mo. Ontimi me yam mo ni bia. I need to take time say me ko broni no be ho convince me say hey. And then they say na yo mo dada.
Yeah.
Emfa nti.
Yamfa move for.
Bob siga je, oh yeah me fine.
Nice one.
Oni me ye bibia, say dem pe. My second thing being say buy. After that time when you discussion, could you cancel be?
Yeah.
That time na my first Zach phone so na that conference call.
Yeah.
And also not tell me bibi also cross over bet me about personal me akasa na u ni esan ye ne. That didn't the question managers. And I'm the second one buy there. No. Now Zach. So a fully activation one on the science. That I'm gonna Sean. And then a regulated things. Sean was the manager and I'm public relations. But in terms of brands, I'm handle.
Yeah.
That was Belmont.
Yeah.
To me, I'm secure BBA and I was surprised with the gig. Me and I'm in 15%. Okay. Me and I'm in 15%. Man, General say I will get more than 50%. Because after that, me make degrees. After that, me bent. Na me would remove probably ni me bia na nkofo akeka.
The echo so abonten.
It me dey me na assessing the 15%. I quite remember catch your shows and say less than 50%. Before radio.
Any theater.
Less than 50% before radio. It will probably the make sure some sikana mo dey brem 15%.
Aye.
After me go pay sketch na ko ya. Me na ma feli.
Wow.
And kind of I was like, media.
I saw you kind of one saying
later on. Me want them say I go bo mo salabash. Me no so must have me boom. I want to say first let me follow boy. Say no, as I no moji me dibra as a public relation at home. It decided if I have migrated, why don't I stay with the team? Then I pleaded with every offensive comment I made against him. Then I told him, he asked the question. I say, yeah, Juma. I'm saying, so the way I'll pay me per time, and I'm saying, yeah, Juma. Then companies keep coming, we keep on moving.
Wow.
So that's that time. Certificate, me pay me the two. After then, me who me certificate. The lecturers cry from guy. I tell them, say who here be. You see, Jina only pack on baby. Jina would define a level.
Yeah.
Obu abeti me so only no Juma, but one in next sign. Wafa kojo bag they are set so.
Yeah.
But set no one kind who director na tone inside the fair level so mra me twa movie. One tone inside for one no kura bag no. Kojo so je set ni sika no me na me di movie ni hu sika. Me say me gina hai. Say movie ni ba o say me ji o manji o no kura koje ba me koje me percentage of 15 no.
Yeah, ewu.
O tia management ne ka. Nti wona ane ne ko no ka no ho say hwan e na wo ko. It's that time no no o hu ne say maybe oboa.
Yeah.
Nti obesere say yem fa ntwa.
Yeah.
Ade ba ko a me hwe boys in interview na ma me reho. A o ma bra no afre lewe na fa pa. Eye sere ma me. Kojo esre ena de nkrofo twa movie. Director, boy we good. No you say. Boy we good. No you say. It me do bit na make em kra na yenim nipa no de okoye. Ba obi do na kojo say yin su nipa na entra ne na afa.
Yeah.
Mama bebre aba into acting. Bebre I establish a world for them. Ntinye na ne yaka san bone ma fa no obi aba say be kire de Lilwin so ada romantic nya me de aye dey.
Amano.
Am dia ma ye yeso enya free mu business. So one na o tuji dia na mu no de ni yegu a kire ye hwem. Mbe bia no monye. Nti gina nipa no be bia wo gina o de ka asem. So when you just sign in the Juma, say crate Juma. Could you pay 2 million and 5 million for money? Now when I know say you coach Ghana man penny man penny be so that's a person may cancel the
yeah.
Na den you call a buy any a near far. Penny we see and cochiano. Penny we say men con home, media na me men cobi, me could one up penny so cochan, but you be near beyond.
Wow.
It means that. But imagine I got chami penny.
Wow, nice one. I think say a bit about Lilwin and manager. Aka krama eno. Na eno say e kan ya masi be interview. Media me questions amount for bisa e wo pages na say na pese be bisa manager na wetima boy ya no. Manager answer be question no. First question am pese bisa money Ghpage was man. Because I think
Rashid.
I think say over the weekend open page and answer that the page type blast Lilwin negatively Ghpage.
Last time, one of my little sisters, maybe. Let me extend greetings to them. Kasha, Kellen, Presta. I'm a social media influencer. I'm a public relation, but I don't subscribe to most of these channels. I'm a follow BD.
Yeah.
Me Kaya Alaji, one politician been a year a cancer. There was one on top graphic in Puno. I can't go be for the
yeah.
Nana come have any. Ghpage, I can't, but. The public Nkansah is dragging our feet, said they are in for something. Good. Because I said, almost started you know. They built Ghpage based on Lilwin. Later on, we brought them in, asked her, and then Omo said, yeah. And it was just an interview to get with Lilwin. And he shoot to the show officer, yeah.
Yeah, because endorsement
Ghpage.
No size, yeah.
And the micro is making sure that things will be good.
Wow.
Because some of you Kumasi base YouTubers and see Nkansah all of a sudden who's a grant interview for other people. And to one man and
yeah.
And I was expecting saying Kabibi Sia. And so looking at brand. No, we want to say there's a lot of on the panel. Oh yeah, Juma Dema. And see before I make it be and you get me on the other side to confirm.
Yeah.
But we are free. Abra Golden, my close friend. I'm on Ghpage for the I know them. Will be on my contacts. And just since I wonder how they come out to address the issue. People are saying put up a legal suit against them. Legal suit can be done formally, but there's an industry woman. So that's it. On perspective, okay, when we get the verdict of the court, say, man can win a same be more. When the page in some channel called Nkansah, the page in promote Lilwin.
Yeah.
But bet me about say, sa brain or sa pain and so. Yeah, your man and will be an airborne, and so mechanism for.
Yeah, because we quite easy concept. No, yes, we are say, Lilwin, I say, Lilwin, I train my AC, but so post video, can say, only video anymore. I'm in the picture and I say the deep.
That is.
Yeah.
And see, what are there education at the moment needs? People should look at caption before they go tap the story. Well, your own say they just do it for hype.
Yeah.
Social media and YouTube traffic now, and they've gotten to know say maybe large percentage of Ghanaians be and they start such negativity news.
Yeah.
And start endemic or Nkansah. So that's it.
Yeah.
But Ghana has misinformation crumple. It can lead. It's a criminal offense. It can lead to an arrest. It's an annual way. Yeah, the question is no misinformation. And I wonder. I've tried to push calls to them. I've tried to get them to look at their topics. Do it with that level. Whenever they share X5, he didn't come over. But he will tell you, but okay, when you're the media, you can't stop a media person.
Almost social media, and I say like, anything go back some mechanic once and pound. I was said to the visual.
I'm there, made there Ghpage for. One video, matter side discussion to bring the establishment of Lilwin out, trying to get in about Adia Lilwin. Made there, for one. I'm said Rashid, on send him a link to one. Say, what do you want? Say the Zion to me. Say, HR departments of this school. So I say,
yeah.
A new interview about the school. One. Yeah, the one sign a contract of DPS. So I say, get your enemies closer. DPS. Cast. Yeah, launch. I don't know what cast. I was the one who pushed the court to Rashid. So I'm not cover. Because negativity now also. Lilwin doesn't like moving with bloggers. At their media mean fan I didn't try because his fame never came with bloggers. Only digital character.
Yeah.
Into an analog person. Who on television. Into one person the bloggers. No. Bloggers. They feel like someone will control life.
Yeah.
And to be sorry, to me, person can be my baby. With me inviting anonymously, maybe they would bra one discuss. And he doesn't want to associate with those things. It's a monte Kwadwo say, on a fan on a brand, no. It's a giddy to say. You said to discuss him 24/7. Why that pet you be or only when I send so much nothing mecca. We say, okay, we invite you. You don't invite me on a channel where what painted black in every then you want me to come and paint the white.
Baby, I know I say what could do.
May 3 people you could do.
Yeah.
So that's it. I don't know. Minimum agenda more. But even yes, so money yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
We need much of the Bible, but me could take a crack. Or say we no, you the one yeah. And the baby one thing.
Yeah.
Into the yeah no yeah no. And the mama gonna for the brain who's in grow for which channel on there. A team against Lilwin.
Yeah.
Last time I commented it there. So we a team bring Lilwin down. They can sit and say the past see there with DBH. He's not ready to help us in the end.
Manager Musa says we say at least be jina so che. Na say bia fufu unity a. E was here dey no essay say at least nika say oh why be a chinta fe dey tena say. And I said the oban na was so hard work.
E Kumasi Ghana ngo. Kumasi how? Kumasi and they feel like say why be a che. From and why be a channel? When you pan be obeka why be a channel, be nice person or say. They say no, he's not gaining any profit out of it.
Yeah.
And he will free her. No go before from her. I didn't try. Obi a TV so can Kwadwo Nkansah and be asked Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Obi a TV so can somebody for Kwadwo Nkansah be a Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin Juma any be pen.
Yeah.
But and no Lilwin at a Juma na say. And Juma name so first no ye go jam ha No do wachi. No wa akwaje. Na de wo pe no. Wo de ama no. But say de wo say follow kra ntuaka. Enti yenkoja me ha opanyini 40,000.
Yeah.
Tiana menko. De wo benya free ho de ono emfa no. Eno wono no. You say I go na when you at is and no one of the people feel like kwa na ni at adwuma be uniform. Nti kuma say and they feel like what na so ache. Ba nyam na mu hira no nyam no ma akwadwo be ye akwadwo. And then ni dwuma ye ne ni tiri pon wie pia. On baafo.
Yeah.
Because a form meaning how they want to explain the form ban. Maybe I me encourage na make na kela how you move mu ka echi. Nti how ho niema bebre. Moving mu ka echi ni say moving we are not moving on.
Yeah.
Into yet they are. He's the last phase of the Ghana movie.
Yeah.
One of the last poster boy.
What I say Jinem.
That's we jina so gidi. Senka wa wu and we twom ka de let ton u Ghpage anka yento. Wo wu no we twom anka if you tag all when ka obi am view. When we won twom still people want to know more. No for no.
Yeah.
Because Wikipedia about search story about Lilwin. Almost Ghpage yi pia baby
Negative news.
Even their blog spots no. Or they forget to YouTube no. Their blog spots negative.
Now, I think that if you are see one, your friend said in mind, if you are money, send our workers when you're so fast. Now, we be there kuma kotu or person or then anuka if you are to from life. You na mo person we have found like you na mo you found send be as I did na to be ka.
I say, what Kumasi for DBS ye dan we. I been to Ukraine is be who ya watching. Cause came from baby top people just to ask you to step down. And you probably brave about even the legal team in the crowd. Lawyer Maggie. One of the best lawyers in Kumasi, Auntie Maggie.
Yeah.
Kwadwo lawyer. No also wash or the name there Crawford. Lilwin name class. Let's live there. No no I didn't hold the ask them class. You jaw money enhwe. E be ko akosi sen. Go ade nsam na work na onye enimu. Jaw mo nka. E be wa akosi sen. Yeah. Sa woka ma asam na me saman wa senje se minim nyanza. Na me jaw se kwa. Temuafo no ni mi no mienu nyina nyankopon. Ya asam wo to wa oboni din ye den. E frɛ no no. Only be the intimacy they are mine. But I don't know what they want from the guy. Last time we saw Bako say, do that story in Lilwin, can you broadcast it? Okay, what that story? And fan say, China, Lilwin. What is Ghpage going to say? I'm better if you didn't be cousin. Okay, say we worry. And they say they be number discuss. Can you step? I'm better be a year. I'm better be a baby. It shouldn't just be about Lilwin. What do you imagine? Say, we say, what are you?
Yeah.
It's some now walk on. Nema internet. I didn't fade in cool. Incredible, now be ready and a form of papa. How you? I said the most new so poor papa. That's what I said.
Yeah.
It's in a year to what? Say, be no best me. Me no, and me mother. What to me? I don't be. In some who can't be. What to me? Be said, yeah. I know my catcher. Say, I'm open. Sika wo if the intent time so nti ye kagu hufi na dia pesca benga wo nye sika bia na ye di o bra tense se wo furu bi no ma 3 million 2 million bra ne ye be kan le win asem bad.
Right. Manager, Mr. Sika, last question bi na the yam fancy. Oboy siki make claims bi e wo Ghpage on discussion so o se e kamia ko say boys and e wo Weezy ase o man sign ni na no when you free appel when any no problem. And what's your take on that?
You don't know what problem as in saying.
I say boys na free
boys in the morning.
O ma call come for any there say.
Na boys no. Weezy Empire and say team Kwadwo be intimate boys. Nobody was part of Weezy Empire. No one you part of Weezy Empire. Moving side of Lilwin, the better say nipa ni ye bibi de makojo Nkansah.
Yeah.
So that say. Because the time me Sherry boss nya ntokwa. Yeah. Sherry kwanye the rap because he follow boy.
Yes, I want this no nana.
Me this.
Wow.
That is it. As I know, what I call different holding the Weezy Empire, me a public relation. When I'm holding the brand management man. So the Kaudibre, as I will address you. You know what the title? Over BBM man, we don't know. And some of you do so booms out to a bobino. You know, say any pano de Adriana Manacon another. Have you provided food for Lilwin? Would you maybe a bassa say Juma way so far son of Nkansah and a scene if you are not so dear BBC. And you probably and I will wrestle away from our one fine day. And then I bet you don't say so because my name is Siam and any year Juma Pono.
Say I'm your man na.
Say I'm your man. Why name is it? But and you what having my series of them.
Yeah.
The life of long face, no one doesn't go be hiding. But when you I don't want to address them. So I say to the sense I broach be a PMU or my former manager Sean.
Yeah.
Me make sure Sean adio. But also me addressing as a manager.
Yeah.
Because of hierarchy.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm my friend, the former manager. Because me, that's me didn't need the Listen, but I'm just Sean Bar with the Empire. Because that time I switched to the government sector, so me call
yeah.
Into the life of say into Kwadwo, you know. I was like, Butumbu and take over. Na yenye. But you could miss a baby and sign in the year. I broached them, I met me address from Sean interview be a share because we and Nkansah
yeah.
Say Sean did not baby crack Nkansah. Could join me and Fana and Kwadwo and as a broach be or could you beat me do be a qua. I'm not sure no friend I made that. But me champion me tonight. Me can't feed you so.
Yeah. So
me never be crack a broach as a more. And beat you.
Yeah.
If he says I broach be or how me and me qua beat me a comedy.
Yeah.
A bumper, young acting managers no.
Yeah.
You didn't perform the chia broaching.
Wow.
There was a time Canada show. Scanning woman percentage in a woman. Show my yanka DJ and I say you be that one go show to.
Oh, okay. Now say about opportunities there, but managers never want to go to.
Oh, about to go during the percentage. Well, Jimmy Scanner also won't come out and he will see, sir. Saturday school no manager. It is definitely not me just school one day. And what's now with me? Saturday I say Dubai.
Yeah.
Or some go Dubai. What do you mean Dubai no uncle? Only DJ no uncle. And they say from movie side, Gideon also here, Juma, and to family.
Yeah.
Namonko. Great chances.
Yeah.
But when they no matter as I say, Nkansah for me uncle, I mean go be out go. Charlie. Be no uncle. Kera, Scanusa. Oh, Charlie, Scanner, you me uncle. Master Scanusa for catcher no this can be back on. Ah, anybody can be a grow. But the Nippon see a manager, the all kind of way so yeah, they obey.
Yeah.
Massa, what about Nippon is Scanusa and one in your bathroom?
Oh,
Dubai, Canada, UK,
Germany, Europe tour.
Short time, pause. Mr. Belmont to Pomediania Ding. Mediania Ding. And I'm in a domino nickel and yan tokwa, and I'm a 4 movie fina, maybe pushing a Belmont. Belmont difference of 20,000 in tea. Commander when I drop it out of the contract, say, Scanusa.
Wow.
It's the enemy stress uncle for me say, ah. Akwe, what like I say, or before for like I say, that's the one. What try to the Facebook fabric, you let me ban the DM. What's up, number guys a clash and Cambridge, that's a mod that. Because he can't want to crab one no crown. Saturday your Cambridge say, Canada near you net out, I know 60,000, 50,000.
Yeah, go back to Marco.
Your own capital can even take you there.